Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen products you'll ever need, the AAYAN 11-in-1 Multifunction Magic Rotate Vegetable Cutter. If you're someone who loves cooking but hates the time-consuming task of chopping and slicing, this product is about to change your kitchen experience forever. This multifunctional vegetable cutter is a game-changer for anyone looking to save time and effort in the kitchen. Imagine having a tool that combines several functions into one compact design. With this vegetable cutter, you can slice, dice, shred, and grate all your favorite fruits and vegetables, all in one place. Whether you're preparing salads, stir-fries, or meal prepping for the week, the AAYAN vegetable cutter handles it all with ease. One of the standout features of this tool is its 11-in-1 functionality. It's not just a slicer. It also includes a drain basket for easy washing and draining, which is incredibly useful for washing your vegetables after cutting them. This unique drainage feature ensures that you can quickly rinse your produce without making a mess, making meal prep faster and cleaner. The rotating design of this vegetable cutter is a real time saver. With a simple twist, you can adjust the angle of the slicer, allowing you to cut your vegetables in different shapes and sizes. Whether you need thin slices, thick slices, or even julienne strips, this cutter has got you covered. It even includes 8 different dicing blades to create perfectly uniform cuts every time. So whether you're chopping onions, carrots, or potatoes, you can be sure that your vegetables will be prepared with precision. Another great thing about this product is its portability. The compact design and the lightweight materials make it easy to store in your kitchen, even if you're short on space. Plus, the cutter is made of durable stainless steel and high-quality ABS plastic, so you don't have to worry about it rusting or breaking down after extended use. Cleaning is a breeze with the AAYAN vegetable cutter. The rotating mechanism and detachable parts make it easy to rinse and maintain, and unlike other kitchen tools, it doesn't require any complicated disassembly. You can simply clean it under running water and store it back in your kitchen drawer or cabinet. In addition to its functionality, this cutter is designed to be incredibly safe to use. The secure grip and non-slip base ensure that the tool stays stable while you're cutting, preventing any accidents or slipping. It's perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen. To sum up, the AAYAN 11-in-1 Multifunction Magic Rotate Vegetable Cutter is an essential tool for anyone who wants to make food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. With its multifunctionality, ease of use, and compact design, it's truly a must-have for your kitchen. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable kitchen tool, this vegetable cutter is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe to our channel for more kitchen gadget reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!